Welcome to SAP 2000 tutorial class. It is our first tutorial class. In this class, I will cover the introduction part. First, I will discuss about SAP 2000 software. After that, I will discuss in detail what I will cover in this tutorial series. So, let's begin. SAP 2000 is a structural analysis and design software. It is a product of CSI. CSI also produce other software like ETABS, SAFE, CSI Bridge, etc. SAP 2000 is better than StatPro for advanced analysis because SAP 2000 provides robust features for non-linear analysis, say time history analysis, pushover analysis, p-delta analysis. In this tutorial, following topic will be covered. First, I will come to the modeling part, then I will come to the loading part, then analysis and result. After that, I will give examples. Also, a complete design of a RCC frame building as per IS code, and also design of steel structure. After that, I will come to the design explanation part. In modeling part, first I will show how to define grid and coordinate system, then also how to define material properties and section properties, and how to add frame member. Then I will show how to assign different type of supports. In loading part, I will show how to add different type of load, say UDL, trapezoidal load, point load, moment for in frame member and also in joint, and then I will show different type of load pattern, and then I will come to the load combination and also definition type of load, mean seismic load, wind load, and after that I will show how to define functions. Functions will be used for response spectrum analysis and time history analysis. After that, I will come to the analysis and result part. Here I will show you how to perform a modal analysis, how to perform response spectrum and time history analysis, and also I will show you how can you get the analysis result, how can you get the deform shape of the structure, or how can you get the force in frame member and joint, and also how can you get the bending moment and shear force diagram. Then I will show you an example of designing of a RCC frame building as per IS code. In this example, I will consider a 6-story RCC frame building, and also I will consider seismic load and wind load. Here I will use IS 1893-2016 code, and also I will show you how can you add response spectrum and time history analysis, and also how can you design the section as per IS 456, and after that I will explain the design result. After that I will show you another example. I'll show you a design of an industrial building, and finally I will come to the design explanation part. Here I will discuss about how SAP 2000 designing a beam or column section as per IS 456. Now we will take a look at SAP 2000 software interface. I am using here SAP 2000 version 21. You can use any other higher version. I will recommend you to use higher version because it is updated version. There are many options which will not be available in lower version. So that's why I will recommend you to use higher version. This is SAP 2000 interface. All options are available through top menu bar. This is called menu bar. You can see these are the toolbars which we can use to execute commonly used commands. These toolbars are given as a group. You can move this group of toolbar in anywhere. You can keep them here also, you can keep them here also, like that. You can move them in your convenient location. This group of toolbars is called selection toolbars. These are called snap toolbar, these are view toolbars, these are zoom toolbars, these are draw toolbars. Now these toolbars are inactive. When you will start a new model, this toolbar will be active and also this menu bar will be active. In next tutorial class, I will show you how to start a new model, and also I will tell you about different templates and also grid and coordinate system, etc. So this is the end of this tutorial class. Thank you for watching. See you in next tutorial class. If you like this tutorial class, please like, comment and share, and also subscribe my channel and stay tuned with us.